2 more? Oh, it's 11. Yeah, 11. Never mind.
Alright, I didn't record any of this shit, but here's what's going on. Got all this shit out. Still don't know if I'm gonna take out the whole thing or not, but this is where I'm at. This is where I'm at. Alright, well, I didn't record any of this shit, but got my tools back after getting the jack. This shit's coming in. Putting all the interior wiring in. Trying to get this shit done. It's been like 2 motherfucking weeks. Nigga been slacking. Anyways, we out here.
La lanchita.
New crib, homie. You know what I'm saying? Oh no. Hey, take the whole tree. I don't know.
One eternity later.
Se anda quemando la casa, la verga. Su puta madre. Su puta madre. Adiós pifa. Adiós pifa. Adiós pifa. Adiós. Beef. Beef. Aquí vamos avanzando poco a poco. Nada más. Ya. Jálese, compa. Ya andamos. Fucking like 11:30, my boy. We out here. Let's try to set y'all niggas up at. Beast ass was. Muy bien. Muy bien, excelente. New bumper for the fucking Dorado. Gotta just cut these pieces off. You know what I'm saying? Make it straight because this is what hits right here. Cut it off both sides. So that's where we at so far right here. I should look pretty good, man. No cap, no cap. I mean, the only thing is like there's a big gap, you know, but the sides are already hitting on both sides, you know. Right here, so. But basically, it won't line up to the old holes. See, the old holes are those, and these are those. So, I mean, you basically have to just, like, fabricate. I guess you could fabricate a new, like, bracket, but I'm just gonna weld that shit, honestly. Weld it. Good, though. No cap. No cap. That fit me, bro. That fit me. That's better. Full send, eh? You already know. final look. It's welded. What I did, I just welded right here, as you can see. Welded that shit, just tack welded it right here. Not tack weld, it's just like a little inch weld, and then I tack welded the top. I don't want to weld it too much because it's still gonna get painted. Same thing on this side. Welded it right there, and then like a little 1/2 inch weld right there. Just update on the truck though. Got these hoses on here. I'm gonna throw these 20s in the front. I'm gonna be repainting it this color, same as that one right there. But move this out of the way. This is where we at right now. I already had everything like good, but there's a plug that I don't know what plugs into it. I've been trying to figure out what it goes to. But other than that, truck turns on. Everything's good. Just gotta figure out that one plug, put everything back together, and then she's good to go. I need to fix the brake lines. For some reason the brake lines don't want to work. But yeah. Just holding it down. Oh, there you go. The seat out. About to put in these captain seats. Take out these whack ass fucking ones. All I gotta do is take out these 4 bolts. For those of you that don't know, 4 bolts, this one, that one, those 2, and she comes out. I don't think this is gonna work out. Shits are electric, I can't move them, man. I'll say 13. Let's put that one in. Just put that one in. That one in. On this side, this has like a big ass dent. It was a fat nigga that owned this shit. This one's gonna be 15. And the back ones are 11. Where we at? Get this whack ass shit out of the way. Oos! Look there. Right there. This shit. Like that. Yep. Yeah, si no va a quedar. 7. Turn this shit down. That was clean. About to put that bully on. Got that bumper, fresh fitment. About to drop this shit 1 inch. soon. Yeah, bro. Just like that. New captain seats. Sheesh. You gotta step on it 3 times. Oh shit, that shit squirted, nigga. Okay. It's tight.
Tight?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ready? Squirter. Ooh, that shit squirted, bro. Yeah.
Alright, now come back to this side.
Jeez, look at that shit. I like squirters.
Go.
Ooh. Okay.
Tight?
Yeah.
Go.
Ooh.
Tighten it.
Okay.
There, forwards are good. Now you gotta do it back the same way.
Fucking slice my finger on this shit, bro. I'm wildin'. You already know what the fuck going on. Bitch needs some gas. Got that VP gas.